feet in just weeks. During those years of apparent stillness, the bamboo was growing roots deep enough to support its height. Arun listened, captivated. The story of the bamboo mirrored his own journey, growth that was invisible but essential. "So, Master," Arun said with newfound clarity, "I must be patient, trusting that each hardship is laying the foundation for my future growth." Buddha nodded warmly. "Yes, Arun, just as the bamboo needs time to build strong roots, you too are preparing for a future you cannot yet see. Patience is a form of resilience. Trust in the process, and when the time is right, you will see the fruits of your efforts." At that moment, a deep peace settled within Arun. He no longer saw his struggles as delays, but as necessary steps in a greater journey. Buddha then gestured to a lotus blooming in a nearby pond. Its delicate petals reached toward the light, untouched by the muddy waters from which it had risen. "Look at this lotus," Buddha said softly. "It rises from the mud through dark waters, yet remains pure and untainted. The mud does not define the lotus, but it is essential to its growth. In the same way, your hardships are not your identity. They are simply the soil from which you bloom." Tears filled Arun's eyes as he gazed at the lotus. He felt a profound gratitude for his journey and the wisdom it had revealed. "Thank you, Master," Arun said, his voice trembling with emotion. "I understand now. My struggles are not my enemies but my teachers. They are the path to my strength." Buddha placed a comforting hand on Arun's shoulder and said, "Remember, Arun, true strength is not in avoiding hardship, but in rising above it, just as the lotus blooms from the mud." Arun left that day, carrying the seed, the river, and the lotus in his heart, ready to embrace his journey with resilience and hope, embracing hardship as a teacher. Arun stood beside Buddha, his heart lighter than it had been in years. The stories and lessons had unraveled the doubts and fears that had once weighed him down. Each word had been a key, unlocking parts of himself he hadn't dared to explore. For the first time, Arun understood. Life's challenges were not barriers to be overcome, but teachers meant to guide him toward growth. He saw himself in the tree that bends with the wind, the seed pushing through the soil, and the lotus blooming pure and untainted from the mud. His trials were not detours, they were the very path to his strength. "Master," Arun said, his voice steady and resolute, "I think I understand now. Hardships are not the end, they are the way. They guide us, shape us, and teach us to become stronger, more compassionate, and more resilient." Buddha's smile was warm and reassuring. "Yes, Arun, every moment of struggle, every doubt, every tear has brought you to this understanding. Hardships prepare you to see your strength and to embrace the journey with an open heart. True resilience is not a shield that deflects suffering. It is the ability to grow from each experience, to let each storm shape you without hardening your heart." A profound gratitude filled Arun. He saw his journey anew, not as a series of burdens, but as an unfolding of his inner strength. Each hardship was a thread in the tapestry of his life, weaving beauty and purpose where once he saw only pain. After a time of quiet reflection, Arun knew it was time to leave. He had arrived burdened by doubts and left with a heart full of understanding and peace. As the road home stretched before him, it no longer seemed a place of toil, but the path he was meant to walk. Before he departed, Buddha placed a hand on Arun's shoulder and said, "Remember, Arun, life's challenges will continue, but they exist to shape you, not to defeat you. Trust in your strength, trust in the roots you have grown, and let each experience guide you toward wisdom and compassion." Arun bowed deeply, his heart brimming with gratitude. As he walked away, the world looked different, not because it had changed, but because he had. Each stone, each twist in the path, felt like a lesson waiting to be embraced. His journey home was not without challenges. There were steep hills, sudden rains, and long stretches of solitude. Yet, each moment of difficulty reminded Arun of Buddha's teachings. The tree that grows strong against the wind, the river that flows around obstacles, and the bamboo that spends years building unseen roots before it soars. When Arun returned to his village, life around him remained the same. The fields still needed tending, the days were still long, and the challenges persisted. But something within him had transformed. One day, a fellow villager asked, "Arun, how do you remain so at peace, even when life is hard?" Arun smiled, recalling Buddha's wisdom. Life's challenges are like the wind. They strengthen our roots. Each struggle isn't a setback, but an opportunity to grow. The more we embrace them, the stronger we become. His words resonated with the villagers, and soon others sought his guidance. The wisdom he had gained from Buddha began to ripple through the community, transforming it into a place not of hardship, but of growth and resilience. As the years passed, Arun embodied the lessons he had learned. He discovered that resilience wasn't just an idea, but a way of living. Challenges came and went, but his heart remained steady, like the roots of a tree nourished by adversity. He shared these lessons with younger generations, passing down Buddha's wisdom like seeds destined to grow into strong, resilient trees. This is the story of Arun, a reminder to us all that life's path, though difficult, is rich with opportunities for growth, strength, and wisdom. Every challenge you face carries the seeds of your potential. Like the lotus rising from the mud, you too can bloom unstained by hardship. Trust in your journey. Let your roots grow deep. Let your spirit adapt, and know that every step, no matter how difficult, is leading you toward the strength within. If this story brought you peace or inspiration, consider joining us for more tales of wisdom and resilience. Remember, like Arun, you are stronger than any challenge you face. Embrace your journey and never stop growing.